Hi guys, so today I'm using Natasha Denona's Love palette. Stay tuned. Good morning guys. I wanted to show a Natasha Denona look today. I did this look a couple days ago and I fell in love with it. It was a struggle. I mentioned that in my spilling the tea video, and I had done a video about it, but I'm not posting it. Yeah, it was a hot mess. Well, I was a hot mess. The palette was a hot mess. Everything about the video was a hot mess. Milk Rise Mascara. Yeah, so I really just think that you guys would love this look. You don't have to use the Natasha Denona Love palette. These colors are so readily available in your collection. It's ridiculous. I'm just saying. They really are. This look is so attainable. This is e.l.f.'s Brow Lift. This is Ioni's eye pencil, and for those of you who are new, I draw a line and I call it a template along my eyelid so that I know where my eyeshadow goes. So I show those steps so that you can do exactly what I'm doing if you'd like to. Of course, you can do your eye the way you normally do it, of course. So the first shade I am wearing, I'll be wearing this one right here. Right there. All on the lid and up into the crease. I'm gonna edit this. So there's going to be a lot more blending and struggling with this, and then I'm going to turn off the camera and do what I got to do. So the transition shade is on, and I'm going to go into this shade right there. And I'm placing that along the lash line and up into my outer crease, right over top of the eyeliner. And the eyeliner just darkens the shade naturally there for you as well, so you can use less eyeshadows. Again, I'm just going to do one eye there. This is not how it's going to look when I come back, but I'm just showing you one eye to the other eye. So now that that shade is on, it should look like that. This was a struggle. I'm going to put some glitter glue on my hand and then onto my eye. Using my finger. And I'm just placing it on the lid. I'm not going into the crease or anything. Then I'm just taking my Rimmel little brush here and I'm putting it into this shade right here, right there. And I'm placing that all on the eyelid. And the glitter glue just really brings that out. I found that without the glitter glue, it did nothing. I mean, I think that you could wet your brush and you'd be fine. or use your finger. I don't like using my finger. I'm uncomfortable with that. I don't like it. I don't like putting my finger into my eyeshadow palette either, because I feel like the oil from my skin gives it a hard pan. And so I don't do that. I use my brush, and I find a brush that works. Okay, I'm not struggling today. The other day was a complete struggle fest. I had makeup all over me. And I guess it's because I haven't really used this formula since I got this palette. I put it in a drawer, like you. You'll go get it. My goodness, use it just because we're on to, I don't know what we're on to anymore. The last I saw was a Charlotte Tilbury drop, the 9 pounds. And I don't think I've seen any other drops because eyeshadow has taken a bit of a back seat to everything. So to darken up my crease, because it needs it, that isn't working, I need this shade right there. So I'm just going to put that right here, just on the outer. And that's why I still have that. I can still tell where it is because I can see the eyeliner underneath it. See, I just got fallout. That's okay. I'm not going to freak out today. After using my Dollar Tree quads, though, I really, really, really have total respect for LA Colors. I really feel that it's comparable. You may agree, you may disagree. But if you are on a budget, go and pick all of the LA Color quads that look like this. There's 4 pounds in there. I can only suggest those at this time because I've only tried those at this time. So I'm not going to send you to Dollar Tree to pick up other types before I've tried them to let you know how they are. I'm losing my voice. If you can hear that, I'm sorry. Okay, so it's looking like that. I need to clean up. I'll be back. So I'm going to take this shade again, the one on my eyelid right there, and I'm just going to place it underneath my eye right here, and I'm going to fill it in right there. And there. Tap your brush off if you're using the Natasha Denona. Just trust me. I'm going to not complain about it. It is what it is. This eye look is too beautiful to complain about it. It just really is. It's so beautiful. It's not even done yet. Okay, so I'm just connecting it to the darker shade. And I think I need to add more of the darker shade. It's this one right here. So next I'm going to use this bubblegummy pink, which is so hot right now. And I'm going to just blend out that edge with it. Very, very, very close to the line. I'm not going up into anything. I'm just staying right pretty much on it and just blending it out a little bit. And there you go. So that brings the eye up. It lifts it on my eye shape. And there you go. Then I'm taking Cosmic colors because in this shade here, because she doesn't have a light shade in here, which is unfortunate. She needed a brown transition color, in my opinion, a black and a light shade like this. And it would have been a perfect shadow. Oh, see? This just brings my eye shape together. It really does. I say that, I think, in every video, and I'm sorry, but it does. If you have something that helps your eye out, you're going to do it every time too. Or am I just that crazy girl that looks like I'm going out for dinner, walking my dog? She's here today. She's on the bed. You won't see her. She's sleeping. For once. Oh, maybe you will see her. Is that her? Hey, baby. There she is. I think. I can't see. She's a blur. I'm hoping she's in the picture. I love her. I'm just going in with this again because wrong one. This one again. Oh boy. There we go. The happy grunts. Oh my goodness, girly. You're ruining my video. I'm just kidding. She couldn't ruin any video. She's my baby. Just adding more of that lid shade to here. Like I said, these take a village. They do. But you know, I'm recreating it, so I loved it. It's hard to blend right here. You can't maybe see it on camera, how hard it is to blend, but if you're a beginner, I wanted to say newbie, but if you're a beginner, don't fret. You'll get there. So I'm just going to blend all that with a clean brush that I used for my transition. It is from Sephora. It's part of their Sephora line. The name, the number, gone. I wish they would embed it like really hard so we would know. I'm just going to go off camera, do more mascara and my eyeliner, and I'll be back. So there's the finished eye look, and then I was putting on my foundation. And for those of you who don't know about this foundation, I thought I would do a mini review for you here. It comes out, it kind of slowly kind of runs down your hand. Not really. Doesn't run down your face. It's got a medium texture to it. Does that make sense? Like, it's not thin and it's not thick. It's a medium velocity. I don't know if that makes sense. I've been wearing this foundation since I was 35 years old. I think I said it was 35 years, but I think I can't do math. I think it's 25 years. The shade I'm wearing is 150 Buff. I can put it right here, no problem. Absolutely no problem whatsoever. And in fact, when I'm wearing this foundation, I don't need concealer, ever. I never need it. There hasn't been one time where I've thought, oh, I need concealer. It acts like your concealer on my skin. On my skin. I have to preface that because I've been there with YouTubers saying, oh, it does this for me. I buy it and it doesn't work. So with my Maybelline 30-hour wear, I hope I didn't send you on a buy that you weren't happy with. And I'm uncomfortable doing reviews because of that. because I found myself unhappy with a lot of the stuff that YouTubers have loved. It's not their fault. They love it. It's my fault for buying it. Okay, see, it's just so beautiful. Don't want that line. I won't have that line. This color, like the Maybelline, and it's so weird because the Maybelline is so much lighter than this one, but on the skin, I guess because the Maybelline is sheerer, this foundation lasts until you take it off. It does not budge, it does not smudge, it smudges, everything smudges. You will find it on your clothes. You will. But it does not, it looks exactly like it does now when you take it off at night. Exactly the same. On my skin. I have normal skin. And it's crazy though, because this foundation used to be $8. It's now, at some stores, I've seen it as high as $24. CAD. And it astounds me. I don't understand. So I just don't understand. It's a drugstore foundation and it's getting up there with Sephora. Okay, so absolutely, absolutely stunning. Do not sleep on this. I know it's been around for years and years and years. It was out when I was 28. The formulation back then wasn't good though. It was really thick and just not good. I was looking at the timer. Okay, so I'll be back with the finished look. I just wanted to give you a short little review on Revlon's Colorstay, and it's the oily combination. So this is the finished look, and I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Kim K W on my lips and Stone lip liner. So I hope that you have as much fun with the stuff that you already own as I have. And if my thumbnail looks different, it's because I'm using the one from the day that I filmed it. I don't have time today to film one. My dog wants to go and play and my birds need to get up. So I tried to do everything the same, but the shirt might be different. Okay, have a good day and thank you for watching. Bye!